Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the SafePal wallet app installed on your device and that you have some USDT in your account. Open the app and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the USDT token. This is crucial because USDT can be on different networks like ERC20 or BEP20, so double-check which one you're using to match with Binance. Next, head over to your Binance account. Log in and go to the Wallet section, then select Deposit. Choose USDT from the list of assets, and pick the correct network. Let's say BEP20 for faster, cheaper transfers in 2025. Binance will generate a unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully, as any mistake could send your funds into the void. Now, back in SafePal, go to the Send or Transfer option for your USDT. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the network compatibility. One wrong selection, and your USDT might not arrive. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After that, sit tight. Crypto transfers can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status in SafePal or on a blockchain explorer. Once it's done, log back into Binance and check your wallet. Your USDT should be there, ready to trade. A quick word of advice: always transfer a small test amount first to verify everything works, and never share your private keys. Fees can vary, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. There you have it. Transferring USDT from SafePal to Binance is straightforward with these steps. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.